In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default sending email address in Outlook when you're already logged into Microsoft Outlook on a Windows computer. Let's dive in and make this process as simple and clear as possible. If you're someone who manages multiple email accounts in Outlook, it's important to know how to easily switch between them, especially when you need to send an email from a specific address. Perhaps you have a work email, a personal email, or even a secondary email account that you use for different purposes. Outlook makes it relatively easy to toggle between these different addresses, and today we'll cover exactly how to do that. First, make sure you're on the Outlook dashboard. This is your starting point for all tasks within Outlook. If you're already logged in and viewing your emails, you're in the right place. The interface may seem a bit busy if you're managing multiple accounts, but with a few simple clicks, you'll soon find it's quite intuitive. Now, you'll want to look to the top left corner of your screen. This is where all the magic begins. Go ahead and click on New Email. This action will open up a new email window where you can begin composing your message. But wait, before you start typing away, there's a small yet crucial step to consider. Just beside the Send button, you should see an option to change or toggle the sending email address. This feature is especially handy if you're looking to choose between your primary email, secondary email, work, or personal email accounts. Click on this option and a drop-down menu will appear listing all your connected accounts in Outlook. Selecting the desired email address is as simple as clicking on it. Picking the correct email address from which to send your email is essential for maintaining professional communication and personal organization. Whether it's choosing your work email for business correspondence or your personal email for friends and family, this feature allows you to keep everything streamlined and in its proper context. Once you've selected the preferred email address from the list, you're all set to compose your message. Type out your email as you normally would, enter the recipient's address, subject, and don't forget to review everything before hitting that Send button. By following these steps, you ensure that your email is sent from the correct account every time. In conclusion, by knowing how to change your default sending email address in Outlook, you gain greater control over your email management. It's a small step that can significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.